Welcome to the first Holy Communion of Josen, Orlan and Johan. They're triplets. Dad's cousin. There's a nice waterfall also here. Shit Kodi, going to Shit Kodi. Let's go guys. They took the entry. In Shireda. Welcome to the Ethan's first Holy Communion. So yeah, this is the hall. I think this is the buffet area. So now we are going on top. I think the hall is up and down. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's a new day, it's a new vlog. Hi guys, good evening, welcome back to my channel. It's a new day, it's a new vlog. So today the video is starting with a unboxing. So yeah, let's start it. This is the box which has come. So let's get it unpacked. I just ordered it last week, like this week only. It came in 3-4 days, very fast service. I'm fast like that, I don't waste time on opening and all. Cuts. Yeah. Bro. I hope the size is correct what I ordered. Okay, I won't show you the brand name. This it is. Only half I'll show you. Nice. Look at this. Okay. This is the other one. Both are here. So here it is guys. So if you guys want to gift me and all, know my number is 10 shoe size. So I'm crazy fan of shoes. So the dogs are barking out, please. I know you will not be able to hear me. If you want to gift me, 10 number is my size, so please gift me. Just joking, no problem. So yeah. So I'll go and I'll get dressed. Now I'll go and I'll get ready and I'll get dressed and then I'll see you guys because we are going for a function now to Shiridao. That's Dad's cousin. So their son's Holy Communion something. Wait, I just checked. To bark, no? Can't you stop barking for some time? There's a quick update. I just had bath. Now I'm going to get dressed up and then I'll show you. My clothes are here. This is my pant. This is my shirt. So guys, I left from home. I dressed up. We were late also. So we left and now I'm at the venue right now. The venue is here, it's in Shireda. Welcome to the Ethan's first Holy Communion. So yeah, this is the hall. I think this is the buffet area. So now we are going on top. I think the hall is up. Down they've kept the buffet system. Yes. That's me. I put on a lot of weight, bro. So guys, we wished everyone now. This is the hall. These are the guys. Let's check this. Nicely done, yeah. So we're going to sit down. So guys, I'm inside a function right now. It's going on there.
Okay.
I've taken the corner seat because there's AC over here. Are you enjoying?
Alright, the number of that is?
Yeah, I'm enjoying.
5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Taken the corner seat so that no one sees us over here.
Okay, you got her out, but it's a try.
So guys, game is going on. The winner is here. In Imar.
Well, everybody, please put your hands together for the very first winner. Neymar.
Ethan, smile.
Alright, and very quickly we're going to be passed on. Now anybody, Ethan, your favorite color is blue, right? So go and give it to somebody you can spot in blue. Who's wearing blue? Neymar. Alright. Okay, but Neymar, sadly you cannot keep this one. Alright, how old are you? 7. You're 8. Okay, so that was 1. This is 2. The
Everything is
eighth
going the
lucky
family.
person is the one who's going to get this. So let's see how it gets passed on back to that 8th lucky person. Give it to Neymar now. Neymar will continue passing it. Neymar, you need to go and pass this to the most prettiest lady amongst everyone here. Come on, go find the most prettiest
What?
girl or woman. His mom. Okay, Neymar feels his mom is the most prettiest. Okay, so Mrs. Felicitas, right? Okay, Mrs. Felicitas, you need to go and spot out the lady with the longest hair. Give it to her. Go and spot someone from the guest who's having the longest hair and pass it on to that woman.
You don't have hair. She's searching now.
Come
Who
on,
has the
anybody
longest
with the
hair?
longest hair, you can raise your hand.
And she
make
just
her
subscribed to
walk
my
easy
channel
so she
also
can
now,
pass it
okay.
on to you. You spotted someone with the longest hair? Who's got long hair? So get a picture. You don't get the prize, but you get a picture. And you're the 4th
Okay,
person,
she's
and
the
now
one with
you
the
need to
longest
pass
hair.
this on by spotting the lady in red. Spot any lady in red. Wow, there we have a lady in red. You get a picture. You're going to smile and pose with that one. Yes. But yeah, and the cameras. But sadly, you two cannot keep it because you're the 5th one, right? We're spotting the 8th one. Now you go and spot somebody with the maximum buttons on their outfit. It's a lot of buttons. Yeah.
Ethan's father. He has many buttons. yeah, this guy. Maximum amount of
She's
buttons.
looking very closely.
Ethan's
So
dad.
you can choose which gentleman you think has.
Ethan's dad.
Yeah, okay. She chooses to give it to this lady who's got buttons here. You can give it to her.
She gone, man.
And take capture. Get a picture.
Guys, the snacks are here.
Lots of prizes and surprises. As you can see, the table is full of prizes on occasion of their son receiving Jesus. So I'll give away some spot prizes as you cannot come here to play games. So children, if you want to win prizes, you need to listen out very carefully and come and answer, and you can take the prize. So today,
He's going to show his phone, correct phone.
How to embarrass yourself? I can't believe you.
He's going to annoy.
have a single crack on your phone.
He's going to prove that
You have? Okay.
he's my brother only.
Why can't I see even one?
Best specs.
How? Okay. Wait. Yeah, there's 1 and there's 2. How many?
Take one more. Take.
Where?
Arey, wait, why you came running?
Kids are wrong with the phone.
Purposely crack 2 more and go and show again.
I'm not getting replacement for that.
Achha, all kids are gone. In that, this kid also went.
He's the birthday boy.
Maximum cracks on your phone. She's still searching.
Yeah, he's the birthday boy. Tomorrow is his birthday. You don't know that? Yeah? Okay. So, what's this one? Now, who should we give the prize? To you or to him?
The cake cutting is come. So he's going to cut a cake right now. So you're going to see that also.
Time has arrived.
Do it well.
The cake is waiting for Ethan, and in the presence of all you lovely guests, we would like Ethan to slice this communion cake, which has The cake, what I need you all to do is, after the countdown, you're going to raise your right hand, okay? And we're going to lower it on Ethan, and we will have DJ Aaron playing for us the lovely hymn which is called Showers of Blessings. So while he slices that cake, we're all going to shower abundant blessings on him. But 5, 4, louder, 2, and 1. Here we go. Shower your blessings. Come on, everybody. All your hands lowered on Ethan. Your and dear ones, come on. All those standing there, beginning with mom, dad, your grandmom, or you all can maybe feed Ethan. Come on. All right. While he does that, we're all going to listen to the lovely hymn. This is the day that the Lord has made. Yes, it's a very joyous day.
Guys, we are leaving from this place, right? Because we have another function. Dad's cousin. They got a triplet, so they are also. They have 3 kids. They are also 3 Holy Communion today. So we are going there now. Again, now we are in Sheridan. So from Sheridan, we are going back to, where you can say, Benaulim. So another half an hour long distance. So yeah, bye to this venue. And yes, now we'll go. Once we reach there also, I'll keep you updated and I'll show you also. How are you feeling? See something?
Hold this. I'll tell you how I feel.
I know. So guys, we are already at the next destination. I hope it's clear. See the car. How entry they took. With this car they took the entry. And this is the entrance. So we are in Benaulim right now. Nash. That hall. So yeah. Look at this. Yeah, nice red carpet. Welcome to the first Holy Communion of Josen, Orlan and Johan. The triplets. Dad's cousin. So this is the entry over here. The slide.
Anyone having most number of colors?
Okay, there are a lot of people like.
Come. All girls are welcome here. You're looking beautiful. We cannot just like this night.
So guys,
responsible not only for music but for the
there's a lot of
entire
people over
the decor as well. These artists. The artist in the house, Royson. Royson just kept guessing the first pages. 4.
Let's go guys.
Yeah. Necklace, everything is included. Royson is having a tough time.
Where are the boys?
Capture these beautiful memories.
Blessings.
Your life be always joyful and colorful. God bless you.
It's okay, put it in this pocket. I'll give it to Dada.
Thank you.
Alright. Here we go.
Thank you.
Take care, man.
Thank you.
अरे wait. No, my blessing. Uncle's blessing. Where is the others?
Welcome Savala Kardan Dev Bori Gurmunta. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much for coming together to grace this beautiful celebration of First Holy Communion of 3 golden boys.
Hey, come here, Bella. You want a drink? You want a drink? So guys, it's food time. So we're going to have food. I don't know. Let's just see what is there. There's a nice waterfall also here. Shit Kodi, going to Shit Kodi. Custard and jelly. Ice cream and jelly.